everyone, what it is, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, I am Cassandra Liz. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I did use the Subculture palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I was getting a lot of requests to continue to create more looks using this, as well as the Modern Renaissance palette. Why am I speaking so fast right now? Baby girl, relax. I so messed that up, but anyways, here I'm just using the Instant Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline and applying that all over my lid as my eyeshadow base. So here I'm just using some Airspun Loose powder and just applying that all over my lids. I started doing this like probably a week ago and started to realize how smooth my eyeshadows apply when I do this. And clearly I forgot to take an eye booger out. So here I'm just taking the Subculture palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills and just using this beautiful yellowy orangey shadow called New Wave and applying that in my crease. I had to apply this a good 3 to 4 times for more pigmentation, but just light-handed windshield wiper motion and continue to build color to your liking. So here I'm just taking this beautiful chocolatey brown shadow called Fudge, and I'm applying that to my outer V and in my crease where I just applied that New Wave shadow. I just wanted it to blend together, but as you guys can see, I was struggling. It was not budging out of that corner, so I just applied more eyeshadow and then it turned out to be a-okay. I was literally in between using like 3 different brushes just to blend out this brown, but it blended so good. So always remember, use many clean brushes or have many clean eyeshadow brushes on hand, because when blending you need a good clean eyeshadow brush. So here I'm just taking this beautiful shimmery shadow called Adorn in this same palette and applying this on my lid. No cut crease, no cleaning the crease up, just applying it right on top. And as you guys can see, I was jamming. 50 had me in my bag. I was really jamming to throwbacks. I don't know what it is. When you get older, like the throwbacks that you really didn't like growing up become your everything. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I was jamming. So this is what it should look like after you apply some lashes. You can apply any lash of your liking. Here I'm just adding every shadow that I applied on my lids on my lower lash line. So here I'm just taking Morphe's liner in the shade Toasty and applying this all over my lips. And I'm not sure why my eye always waters, but it does. This is the completed look. I hope you guys all enjoyed creating this look with me. If you guys do decide to recreate this, please tag me on Instagram. And until next time, I will see you guys all in my next video. Peace.